This is the Toyota Stealth warm-up program that we have. It's going to be running at about 5,000 RPM and feeding at about 300 inches a minute. Move the cutting feed all the way up on the adjustments. And that's at 150% of the program, which comes out to about 450 on the control. And go ahead and take the RPMs all the way up. That's 6,000 RPM. Drop it down to 50% on RPM. %50 on feed. Back to 100% on both.